everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are starting from activity 16.4. So name some industries familiar to you, make a list of the products obtained from these and used in our daily life. Discuss with your teacher and parents how the growing industrial activity is responsible for the depletion of water table. So in this activity you just have to find some industries and you have to go familiar with them, and then you have to make a list of the products obtained from these and then that used in our daily life. And also you have to discuss with your teacher or parents and how the industrial activity is responsible for the depletion of water table. So now we have the agricultural activities. So a majority of farmers in India depend upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation systems such as canals are there only in a few places. Even these systems may suffer from lack of water due to erratic rainfall. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater. So, in this, majority of farmers in India depend upon rains, as we all know, for irrigating their crops. So, irrigation systems such as canal are there only in a few places. So, even the also suffer from lack of water due to erratic rainfall. And then we have farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation also. And then population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day. This results in depletion of water table. So that's it in this. Now we have 16.5 topic, distribution of water. The distribution of water over the globe is quite uneven due to a number of factors. Some places have good amount of rain and are water rich. On the other hand, there are deserts which have scanty rainfall. So the distribution of water over the globe is uneven due to number of factors, and some places have good amount of rain while others are deserts which has scanty rainfall. So India is a vast country and the rainfall is not the same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rains while some others have very little rainfall. Excessive rain causes floods, whereas the absence of rain results in droughts. Therefore, some regions in our country may have floods while others may suffer from droughts at the same time. So it's very common for all of us, as we all know that India is a vast country and rainfall is not the same everywhere. Then as some regions have excessive rain while some others have very little rainfall. So excessive rain causes floods, whereas the absence of rain results in droughts. So some regions. Now we have completed this topic, that is distribution of water. So you just go through that, and we will discuss the next topic in the next video. You just revised through the topics that we have discussed in the previous videos, that is increasing the industries and population and many more. So now we will meet in the next video. Till then,